$3,000. See, buddy, really hear it.
This is our last afternoon before dark walk with Rosie. We're going to go down in this canyon here. We're going to walk it, and then she's going to pull me. She's going to pull me out up this hill. That's a husky. So let's go down. Slow girl. Good girl. So we're gonna walk down this canyon a little bit, and then when we come out, we're gonna come out right up over there. She's gonna pull me through all this. So give her a good walk. Whoa, easy. Whoa, whoa. So come on, girl. Come. It's cool. This canyon. Way up. That's a hill. So we're just gonna walk through here. Just to give her some smells so she can check out this area. This is our last vlog. Thanks for tuning in. This is Woodchucker. It's cool. Look at this area. Down in a canyon. It's almost straight up. Rosie's pulled me out of all kinds of stuff, because I can't go up a hill. But she pulls and pulls, and we have a lot of fun. Come on, girl. Boy, it's a big canyon. Come on, girl. Up. Up, up. Come on. We're going up this hill. Yep. Hill. Yep. Come on. Yep. Good girl. Up. Come on. That's so far down. Let's go. Up. So we're going to go up here. Come on. Yep. Good girl. Pull. Go. What, do you see some? What is it, girl? She smells something. Come on, let's go. Up. And we're going to walk up all this hill. Good workout. Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Yep. Come on. Yep. 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 Go. Up. Yeah. Pull. Pull. Let's go. Good girl. Go, girl. Yep. Go. Come on. Go, girl. Come. Go. Come on. Leave it. Yeah. There you go. There's the pole. Good girl. Come on. Nope. I'm not going in there. Up. Let's go. Up. Yep. Yep. That's what I do when I'm training her. When we're mushing. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Go, girl. Come on. We gotta go up that hill. Come on. Come on. Yep. Gotta pull. Rosie, up. Up. Come on. Go, girl. Right here. Up. Up. Yep. Come on. Jump. Go, girl. Up. Up. Come on. Come on. I'm okay. Come on. Yep. Good girl. Up. Pull. Pull. Yep. Good girl. Yeah. Look at her. She puts her back legs up to pull me up. Good girl. Boy, that was long. That was a hill, and we take the road back home. So it's good to get your dog out and walk her if it's at camping or at home. It's good for the owner, obviously. Got a lot of workout. That was a huge canyon. That was huge. Our camp's way on the other side of it. That was a good mile. So, whoa. We're just gonna take the road back. We're about packed up. Truck's loaded. So, stay tuned. I'll show you how much I put in my truck. There's a lot of wood. I don't know, we're probably over 12,000 pounds easy. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, follow. Lots of stuff coming up, wood carving and all the wood I've collected. You can see all those videos. It's awesome. Have a good night. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Rosie? Rosie, look at me. Look at me. Watch. Can you speak? Speak. Good girl. Thanks for watching.